Transparency is the new currency of trust, and at Land Rover Naperville, we believe that's not something you should have to ask for. It's something you deserve. That's why we've invested in certified video vehicle inspections. Every time your vehicle is serviced, you'll receive a clear, personalized video so that you see exactly what we see. No guesswork, no confusing jargon, just honest, transparent communication. But here's what sets Land Rover Naperville apart. We've trained our Land Rover-Certified Technicians not just to inspect, but to communicate, because anyone can send a video, but not everyone can build value with it. So what makes our video inspections different? Plain, friendly language, no tech talk. A clear, consistent format, so you'll know what's urgent, what can wait, and what helps keep your Defender, Discovery, or Range Rover running longer. Confidence over pressure. We're here to educate, not upsell. When you understand why a service is recommended, the decision becomes easier. No surprises, just clarity, and the peace of mind that you're getting the full story. In a market full of choices, Land Rover Naperville stands out by putting trust, clarity, and communication at the heart of every service visit, because not all video inspections are created equal. Ours deliver confidence. Experience the Patrick difference at Land Rover Naperville. When servicing your vehicle at Land Rover Naperville, we're here to make every step seamless and satisfying. With decades of experience and a commitment to your complete happiness, it's a Patrick thing. Taking care of you every day, that's the Patrick promise.